There's cum on it. There's a flashlight over there. Oh, that's banned. I'm gonna go to the wheel. The fuck? It's locked. Oh, those are guys with the wagon. Yeah, that's our teammate. He's moving up. Are those people with NVGs? You wanna shoot at them? Yeah, there's two. Why would they have lights on though? Oh, those are our teammates. Let's move up, okay? See that fence up there? Let's run for it, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
I can tell you for one sure, there's gonna be maybe not in that house right there. There might be one person inside this house right here, but definitely on the opposite side. So if you guys push this side, you're gonna have getting shot from there. So push up with the people at the halfway house right there, okay? Yeah. Push up with your buddy at the halfway house. So, where your group's at right there.
Okay. Yeah. You ready, Henry? Go. Oh shit! There's a guy right there, Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Nick, where are we? Your spawn point. Say, hold up here until your buddy comes back.
What the fuck?
Grenade.
Oh, is that a hit or a ricochet?
No, that's probably a ricochet.
Okay. It's a washing machine?
Yo, they're right there.
Am I recording? Is it flashing red?
Yeah.
Okay, gooch.
Good, let's see. I don't know, I can't see.
Oh my, I feel like I'm walking in pitch black right now. Oh, I need to see where I'm going.
Here, I'll light the way up.
Thank you.
Actually, I'll light the way up.
Oh, my ass cheek! Was that you, Henry?
No.
Oh no!
Alright guys, listen
Someone
up.
shot me in the
We're gonna do
ass. It burns like when I pee.
Alright, fine. Alright, and
How many numbers am I holding up?
2.
Okay.
Wait, do that again? Well, it kind of got ruined, but yeah, I can just see.
Okay.
I'm closing my nod's eye. Alright, you?
Okay.
Yeah, I can kind of make
you're
it
gonna go
out.
to this side right here. Do you two want to work together?
Sure.
Oh, hell no. Oh no.
If you see this green laser, go to it.
Okay.
If I go, hey, move to laser.
I'm getting blinded.
Move.
Where? Whew. Hit. Oh. Got hit in the hand.
It's a little bit, well, it's a lot more difficult, but...
Imagine getting shot.
They shot me in the neck.
I got shot in the finger.
Yeah, are you guys coming out for tomorrow too, or?
Oh, I have to go back to Wisconsin.
Okay. Well, we're always open Sundays and stuff like that. I think for, like, if you're new to it and you want to try it out, I would say come out Sundays. We usually get like 40 to 50 players out here.
You get this side, I'll get middle. This guy right there. Wait. Oh, sorry, my bad. What, are you friendly? Oh, sorry, my bad. Did I hit you? Okay, good. What's your ammo. You gotta win. Hit! Nice shot. Shoot him extra. Where was the guy arguing about the team friendly? Like the friendly shot?
No.
I was looking over to where you guys were arguing and this guy snuck up behind.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Shoot me 3 times in the butt.
Yo,
Yeah,
Owen,
because you whipped me.
Barely.
I don't
You're
fucking
overreacting.
care. I'm gonna shoot you back if you shoot me. You whipped me.
You shot me 4 times
Well,
actually.
I kind of got karma because look at my finger. It like went
So-
to the bone.
So
It
what?
hurt.
Well then I'll shoot you 2 times.
Bro, I'm just gonna shoot you if you shoot me. You whipped me, so it's only fair.
This is why I don't trust you with guns.
I don't care, bro. You whipped me. That shit hurt. I shot you. Womp womp. You have like gear on and stuff.
Dude, I have the same pants you have on right now. Barely if. They're normal pants.
Yeah, I know. I got shot in the pants. What you don't hurt?
You're whining about getting hit with a freaking...
I got hit in the finger. That hurts because it's bare.
No, you're whining about getting me, like, just hitting you with a freaking nightlight almost.
That hurt. So I hit you
Bro,
back.
barely. No, you didn't. Hit me. You shot me 4 times in the ass. No, it isn't. I hit you 1 time in the shoulder and you overreacted.
I don't care.
You need to stop whining.
3 times. Whatever.
I hope no one ever puts a real gun in your hand.
Ref, he's being mean to me, Ref.
I should tell the ref right now. Like, you just shot me. Team shot outside of a game.
Tell the ref you whipped me. You weren't supposed to whip me outside of the game either.
I barely whipped you.
Yeah, I barely shot you.
No, you barely shot. What does that even mean? You shot me 3 times. You could have shot me once.
Yeah, you whipped me 2 times.
I hit you once in the plate carrier and the other
You
time
hit
right
me in
here.
the shoulder, dog. You hit me right here in the shoulder.
Womp
Bare
womp. It's
shoulder.
a fucking
Hey, womp
fucking
womp.
nightlight,
Yeah,
bro.
because I shot you.
Getting mad at getting touched with a nightlight. Shooting me 4 times in the ass. You wanna go building?
Give me open hand. I don't want to do that, bro.
You wanna do that?
If they can get left side and right side right now.
Yeah, this tree's in the way. Is there a guy in there? You teammate? Okay. What? Oh. Yeah? Is that a pot? Yep. Stick my foot in there. What?
See anything, can you?
No.
Yeah, I tried filming the night game once. I got some funny stuff. Well, I have a plan. You post this anywhere?
Oh, YouTube?
I have a plan.
What?
I got 2 pistols in my AKs.
What do we got over here, guys?
We have a plan. So, you have a light, right?
Yeah.
I want everyone to just shine their lights on my back. I'm just gonna run straight. Corridor.
Am I flashing red? Okay, then I'm recording.
You're dead.
R.I.P. Make sure they're not flanking us from over there. Think so. I think I saw a shadow move. Man, these night games are crazy. That jump shot was ass. I think there's one guy over here in this house. Like, see that little window where he's chanting? Like, right there. He's covered. Hit! Yeah! Hit! Is that a polar star?
Yeah.
Damn.